going to open packages.
What's your name?
Esther.
What's your name?
Deborah.
All right, so this package is for Deborah to open. This package is for Esther to open.
Okay.
Open it.
No.
It's not a dolly, it's flat.
Wow.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What do you see on it?
On an Elsa.
Do you want to open that package to see what it is?
Yeah, but I don't know how
Open the plastic to see what it is.
What?
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, go ahead and open them.
Okay. Is it?
What is
I want
it?
the pink one because I like pink.
No, Deborah's is pink. They're different sizes.
They're different sizes?
Yeah, Deborah's is smaller and yours is bigger.
Have zippers on it.
Yeah, it's a dress.
What? This is the big one.
Do you see that it's a dress?
Yeah, I'm to wear it.
So, it's got rainbows and butterflies and Elsa and Anna on it. And yours is purple and hers is pink and yours is bigger and hers is smaller. What do you guys think?
Well, can you get another?
No, I'm not ordering any more. You say thank you for what you have.
Okay.
Do you want to try it
Did
on?
Josh get Olaf
Josh
shirt?
got an Olaf costume
Olaf
that he's going to wear for your
costume.
birthday party.
Mommy,
Do you want to try your dress on?
Yeah, but
All right, let me see your dresses. Spin around. Do you like your dresses?
yeah.
Are they pretty? Do you want to wear them to church sometime?
Yes.
Do you want to wear them to piano lessons today?
Yeah.
Very cool. You like it?
Yeah. I like it.
Awesome.
Yeah.